Are you ready to achieve millionaire status? 7 key money tips. Hey there, aspiring millionaires. Are you on a quest to join the Millionaire Club? Have you been binge-watching Tony Robbins seminars and motivational videos? Even thinking your TikTok feed is your financial guru? Well, today, I'm going to share 7 invaluable money tips after 7 years of running a successful business and making tens of millions of dollars. But hold on. This isn't your typical financial advice where I tell you to skip your daily coffee or cut back on small expenses. No, we're going deeper. These are practical, actionable strategies you won't find just anywhere. Ditch the drinks. Let's start with the obvious. Stop spending your hard-earned cash on alcohol. Think about how much money you've wasted on drinks at the bar. Those shots, cocktails, and party nights add up fast. Plus, drinking impairs your judgment and productivity, hindering your path to millionaire status. Learn a high-income skill. To become a millionaire, focus on increasing your earning potential. It's not just about cutting expenses. Learn a high-income skill like sales, copywriting, content creation, or even mastering tools like Google Sheets. Join a company that values your skills and rewards you accordingly. Invest smartly. Allocate a portion of your income each week into a separate investment account. Start small and build the habit. Over time, it will grow, and you'll have more resources to invest wisely. Change your environment. Want to understand how wealthy people live and think? Enjoy a coffee in affluent places like upscale hotels or fancy cafes. You'll soak in the ambiance, fashion, and demeanor of those who've made it. It's a lesson in itself. Clear credit card debt. Before you start splurging on fancy coffees or investing, clear any credit card debt. It's a financial trap that keeps you enslaved to high interest rates. Pay it off as soon as possible. Invest in self-education. Don't hesitate to invest in self-education. Whether it's books, seminars, or online courses, consider the value they bring to your skills and knowledge. Think of it as an investment in your earning potential. Increase your investment percentage. As your income grows, commit to saving and investing more. Gradually increase the percentage of your income that you invest. The goal is to reach a point where you can live off your investments. Becoming a millionaire is a journey, not a sprint. Implement these tips and remember that financial success takes time and commitment. Believe in yourself, continuously learn, and stay dedicated to your goals. You've got this. Remember, the quickest way to start is to see the first link in my comments, and remember to like, share, and comment for more videos.